Pie Toys! Hello my little pies, and today we're back with the giveaway. Thank you again, Fizzy Pop Toys. And here we're opening another part of the giveaway, and here I have Shapai. Hello. And Cutie Pie's off on this side. Now here we have a lip smacker, best flavor forever. And it looks like lip balm inside. It looks like a strawberry. Oh. And it's mini too. And they could collect and stack. Oh, it's so cute. Strawberry lollipop flavor. Mmm, delicious. Let's open this up. Oh no, Cutie Pie, she's coming. Oh no. She sees something, it's hers. Here. Aww. No. That is the cutest. Look at her. Like you could stack. And here her little feet. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, I think you open it. I think it's down here. Oh no, I think you open it from the butt. Nope. You open it. Okay, let's see. Childproof.
Oh my goodness, this thing is huge for this.
Oh my god, look at that.
Let me smell it. It actually smells like strawberries.
Mmm, delicious. It's like taffy strawberry. Nice and smooth, honestly. Let's put it back. Okay, so now Shadi can open the Hello Kitty.
Yeah, the Hello Kitty stickers. This would be perfect for Cutie Pie.
What it says is only ages for 3 and up. She's 2. Oh my goofiness. Oh, there's cupcakes and decorations and kitties. Oh my.
Macaroons too.
Oh,
And
I love
ducks.
macaroons. Aw, that is so cute.
Okay, so this is the last thing that we're gonna unbox from the giveaway.
Puppy.
It's a lip balm set. So
I got dibs on Pinkie Pie.
okay. I got dibs on the can too.
The can too.
Yes.
I want all the lip balms. You keep the can
Open it
too.
from the bottom.
Oh, yeah, huh. Ah! Yeah, I got lip balms for life. That was crazy.
Here comes Cutie Pie.
Ah, Cutie Pie.
Help.
So here we have strawberry, blueberry flavor lip balm. Ooh, that looks so nice. Oh, I like the caps, they're so glittery. Rarity, of course she has purple. Let me smell it.
I like the caps.
It's flavor. It is grape. Do you want me to have Cutie Pie? With Pinkie Pie? Let's smell. I'm gonna see it's in the tin can. Oh.
It's empty. So you put the glass in there.
Oh, that's so cool. Surprise! Now we're gonna try the candy. Well, I've heard that Fizzy Pop Toys comes from Canada, so we live in the USA, so we're gonna try some Canadian candy. Come on, Shapai. I wanna get this one because this one looks super cute.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna try this. These are Smarties.
Smarties. Like it's made in a peanut-free facility. It's okay, I can eat peanuts, but some people cannot eat them. M&M's.
Yeah,
What? Skittles.
Skittles.
The ones you get look like this. I'm gonna try the pink one. I've never seen this one before.
I'm gonna try the green one.
Oh,
What the?
they're chocolate! Exactly like M&M's.
They are like M&M's.
Smarties are candy. Hey, Kitty Pie, you want one? No? Oh yeah, you don't like M&M's, huh? Well,
Oh my god.
Smarties. These taste exactly like M&M's.
Yeah.
And I thought they would taste like sweet candies. Those are really good.
Weird.
Now, here really familiar and here in the USA. We have Finding Dory with jelly beans. Wait, no, Jelly Belly, not jelly beans. And here, there's sparkling baby blue, sparkling. I can't see it. I don't have good eyesight. Well, oh well, we don't need to know.
Whoa.
Ooh, got dibs on this dark blue one.
Let's go dip some little blue one.
Okay, the sparkling berry
I
blue.
like the red one.
Sparkling berry blue and sparkling berry cherry.
Okay.
Oh, I just ate all of mine.
Tastes like regular jelly beans.
That was really good. Oh my god, look at the inside of that.
You want some cutie pie?
Okay, I'm gonna try the purple one because purple is my favorite color. Sparkling grape soda
I'll try the white one. Oh, I dropped one.
with sparkling cream soda.
Okay, never mind. I'll just try the blue one.
Sparkling baby blue. I'm gonna try this purple one. I just still have the blue one in my mouth.
That's super good. I'm just gonna take all of it.
Oh no! Sparkling cream soda. I'm gonna try this since you went down. I don't know if it's just because I have all the jelly beans still in my mouth. It's pretty good.
Apparently you're supposed to like give this to somebody.
Oh well, they give it to us, right? Okay, what's this one? Sparkling sour. Oh, sour lemon.
What's the orange one?
The orange one is sparkling orange. Wow, what a great name.
Original.
Very creative. The ones are good. You want lemon? Because I'm gonna finish them.
Just lemon.
Sour lemon. Alright, I finished all the lemon ones. Let's put this on the side. So here we have Maynard sour watermelon. I think these kind of like Sour Patches, huh?
Yeah. I think they're Canadian too.
Yeah.
Because I've never heard of them before.
Have free foods. Oh, here says this is Canada. Oh.
That's like some of the ingredients are in French.
Okay.
Let's open them before Cutie Pie goes crazy.
I think because we gave her too much jelly beans. Oh, these are exactly like Sour Patches.
So let's see if they taste exactly like the Sour Patch.
Watermelon. Yes. Oh, Cutie Pie, you want one too? One.
They feel like them too.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, eat. Exactly like them.
They taste like not a slushy from Cutie.
Oh.
You want some Cutie Pie?
4.
Aww.
Eat it.
She licks
You
it.
like it?
Delicious.
Delicious, huh?
How?
Uh-huh.
Thank you for watching our unboxing of the giveaway from FIZZY Pop Toys.
Link in the description. Bye-bye, my little pies.